Welcome back. This is a part 2 of our Python Pandas Basics series. Today we will be building on what we learned in part 1 by diving into more advanced data manipulation techniques. We will be using the same dataset as before. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, check out the link in description and let's get started. Let's start by filtering row based on conditions. Okay. For example, we want to filter out a data set to only show rows where the age is greater than 28. Here is how you can do that. Age greater than 28. Run it. Okay. Here we have filtered where age is greater than 28. This will give you all the rows where the age is above 28. Next, select multiple columns. Let's say we want to select a specific columns like name and gender. So you can do this by passing a list of column names. Let's write how we can do that. Name, comma, gender. Then run it. Okay, here is our result. Next, let's filter using multiple conditions. Like sometimes we want to filter rows using more than one condition. For example, let's filter for rows where the age is greater than 28 and salary is greater than 20,000. Let's write. Let's copy. Here we will use AND. Salary greater than 20,000. Where is the error? I think we forgot parenthesis. Okay, make sure to use a parenthesis around each condition when combining them. Okay, here is our result. Great. Next, drop rows with missing values. Now let's tackle missing values. To remove any rows with missing data, we can use the function name is dropna. Let's write. Here we have multiple data with missing values. Let's write. Here we are creating a new variable dot drop na. Then run it. Okay, here is our result where we have dropped all rows having null values, missing values. Next, fill missing values with a specific value. Handling a missing data is crucial when working with a real world data set. Instead of removing rows with missing values, you might want to fill them with a specific value. Let's say in our data set, some rows in the salary column having a missing values. If we want to fill those missing values with something, like here we are using a fillna function and filling those missing values with word random. It can be anything. Okay, run it. Let's write variable 2. Run it. Okay. Here is what happening in this line. Okay, it's filled with random word. Next, replace. Let's say you want to replace certain values in the data set. For instance, if you want to replace all the term, like here we have to replace, let's see, HR with IT. Let's do it. Value is equal to IT. Okay, run it. Okay, here we can say all the HR replaced with IT. And that's a wrap for part 2 of our Pandas Basics series. Today we learned how to filter rows, select specific columns, handle missing data, and replace value in our dataset. As always, the dataset and Jupyter Notebook file are available for download in the description. So make sure to grab those and practice along. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for part 3. Thank you.